Hey guys, it's KiaTache and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if you are new. Today's video is another unboxing, as you can see by the title, and this beautiful orange Louis Vuitton bag in my hands. So let's just get straight to it. Y'all know I get so excited in these videos, so excuse me if I start doing too much and you're new to this channel, but those of you who've been watching my video and joined the sisterhood, and y'all know how I am already. But so I just got back from the Dallas North Park Mall, the Louis Vuitton store there. If you are in the DFW area, you gotta go check it out. They revamped the entire store and it looks so beautiful. It reminds me of some of the Vegas locations. So yeah, I just got back from there, so excuse my attire. I'm rocking pajamas with my shirt from work and everything just because I'm in the house, y'all. I'm not trying to get cute, and I was just so excited to get to this video, so I didn't do anything extra to film this. But yeah, so let's get to it. So look at the beautiful packaging. Alright, now I'm going to ruin the beautiful packaging. Pure bliss. Alright, so I'm going to open it up. And can you guys guess what I got? Because it's not in the title, so you don't know yet. And it's not like y'all can respond to me right now, so why am I even asking? But anyway, moving forward, let's take out the dust bag. Such a special moment for me always. Alright. You still can't see what I got. But anyway, alright, let me stop playing. Let's open it up. Oh my gosh, she's so beautiful. I got the Louis Vuitton bum bag and monogram. Yay! I've never seen this before. That's new and different, but it's okay as long as they are protecting the strap. I'm fine with that. This is so... I can't believe this is actually in my hands right now, y'all. I can't believe. Y'all know those TikTok trend videos or those Instagram reel videos when girls are doing that I want it, I got it thing, and they're like pulling from the computer. This makes me want to do one of those because I've been wanting this and I finally got it. Like, I can't believe it's in my hands right now. Oh my gosh. Anyway, so yes, I got the bum bag. Look how beautiful it is. And I love how they package it, making sure everything is protected. So beautiful. Oh my gosh. I don't even want to take these off, actually. Y'all know what the bum bag looks like with this removing. If you don't, I'll add a picture right here. But yes, I don't want to remove this off yet. I'm just like trying to take this moment in, you know, admire everything. So excited about this. It's so cute. It's so cute. It's actually mine. Like, let me smell it. The smell of a brand new fresh bread bag is just amazing. Alright, so let's get into this bag. I'm going to have to spray this bag like as soon as possible because I do not want any water stains or anything. So I'm going to spray it with my Apple Guard. If you don't know what Apple Guard is, then I highly recommend that you check it out. If you have any designer bags with the non-treated leather, look at the back of the bag. There is a zipper on the back. Ooh. It smells so good. Y'all are probably like, why is she smelling her bags? Like, I do this all the time. Chill out. Y'all know y'all do too. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Look at the pocket in the back. I never really knew how deep this pocket was because I just always see people showing that there is a zipper pocket, but I never like knew what it was like. So it's so cool to finally see it in person. And then if you fold this up, you can get into, oh my gosh, you can get into the bag. It zips so smooth. And then inside, they have more wrap. Oh, they really packed this bag well. Oops, I dropped one of the little cards. They packed this bag so well. And then it just has the little barcode and stuff. I wonder where this bag was made. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Okay. Made in France. Wait, is this really made in France? I actually got one from France. I'm just so excited to finally have this bag, and she is so beautiful. It's like a little, I don't know, it's like a little animal. I don't know. Look at the mouth opening. It's so cute. I feel like, you know what, I feel like this is going to be like my Palm Springs mini when I pack it. So I'm going to maybe get an organizer for it or get a mini pochette or something. I still have not gotten one, but I'm going to get one. But I'm so excited to wear this. I already got so many outfits planned. I already got so many ways I'm going to wear it. I'm just really excited. Ooh, she's so cute. Look at her. Oh my gosh. So it has the adjustable straps. Then it has this top handle. And then the zipper pocket in the back. And then the main pocket in the front. Oh, and then it has like a little tab there. But I don't want to remove this yet. So we're just going to leave it as such. So yes, there is the bag. So pretty. I already got some ideas for this bag. Like, I'm just so excited. Like, I'm just sitting here admiring, like, it's looking back at me. We're just in love with each other. Like, you guys aren't even here right now. I forgot I was recording. I'm just sitting here staring. Anyway, so that's all for this video. Thank you guys for tuning in. Stay tuned for a review later on this bag. Stay tuned for some mod shots so you can see how it looks on me. Maybe even a little lookbook. Also stay tuned for a what's in my bag or what fits in my new bum bag. Alright, thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below your thoughts. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that you don't miss my upcoming videos. But alright, thanks again for watching, and I'll see y'all next time. Love y'all. Peace.